Rasulullah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbana zidna ilma. So we are going to start our this week's session. In the first session, we will just revise some grammar concept, and then in the second, inshallah, we will try to understand Quran. Before starting the new topic, I would ask Ibrahim to just revise the last week we discussed about mafa'il, objects.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
So last time we studied types of maf'ul or types of mafa'il. So maf'ul in a sentence there's a fi'l, fa'il and maf'ul, a verb, object and subject. So maf'ul is called object. So there are 5 types of mafa'il and they're always mansub. So the first one is maf'ul bihi, direct object. It answers the question who or what the action is done to. For example, خلق الله الأرض. Allah created the earth. Like Allah created what? Allah created the earth. Al-ard here is maf'ul bihi. The second one is maf'ul lahu, object for reason. It answers why the action is done. So, for example, ينفقون أموالهم ابتغاء مرضات الله. They spend their wealth seeking for the pleasures of Allah. So here ابتغاء is مفعول له. The third one is مفعول فيه, object for time and place. It answers when or where the action is done. For example, يسبحون الليل والنهار. They glorify in night and day. So al-layla wan-nahara is maf'ul fihi, object for time and place. The fourth one is maf'ul hal, object of state. It answers how the action is done. For example, وَيَنْقَلِبُ إِلَىٰ أَهْلِهِ مَسْرُورًا, and he returns to his people happily. Masrura is maf'ul hal. And the last one, and the fifth and last one is maf'ul mutlaq, absolute object. So in this, the root of maf'ul and fi'il is the same. So maf'ul intensifies the fi'il. For example, وَكَلَّمَ اللَّهُ مُوسَى تَكْلِيمًا. So here, Allah talked to Musa a long talk. So taklima is intensifying the verb. Taklima is maf'ul mutlaq. So these are all the 5 mafa'il.
MashaAllah, Ibrahim, thank you very much. So, Nahim bhai, just tell the names of mafa'il, just names.
Mafail, there's a 5 names like a mafail. First is mafaul bihi, what and who action is done. Mafaul lahu, why the action is done. Mafaul fihi, when and where the action is done. Mafaul hal, in which state of action is done. And mafaul mutlaq, the root word of the fi'l, and the maf'ul is the same.
Thank you very much, Naeem bhai. Jazakallah khair. So today we will just see that actually we are discussing about the ism for since long. About we have seen many some properties or some types, and today we will just see, and we know that, but just we will try to summarize the status of ism before. The status of ism is a status of ism can be marfu, mansub or majroor, halat rafa, nasab and jar. For example, if we take muslimun, musliman, muslimin, muslimun, this is marfu, musliman is mansub, and muslimin is majroor. Similarly, if we take muslimun, so marfu status will be muslimun, muslimuna, mansub is Muslimin, and majroor is also Muslimin. Mu'minun, mu'minin, mu'minin. So this is this the status of an ism can be marfu, can be mansub, and can be majroor. So now today we will look that when these ism can be marfu, can be mansub and majroor. All those rules which we will discuss, we already have learned all these things before. Like when the ism, we are talking about the ism, when the ism can be marfu, the first thing is in the sentence, like this, khalaqallahu al-arda, jumla fi'liya, the file is the file. We have to look for the file when the inside doer is he or she. So this file will be marfu in jumla fi'liya. So when there is uh, jumla fi'liya, when there is inside doer is he or she. So as we know, according to the rule, that we have to look for the file, and that file will be marfu. One thing. Second thing is about the naibul file in passive voice. When the file is missing, inside doer is he or she, we have to look for the file. That maf'ul will be naib file, and that we have to look for that, and that naibul file will be marfu. The first thing is file in simple jumla fi'liya. Then second is about the naibul file. We are not going into detail of these because we already discussed this. Only we are checking about the ism, when ism can be marfu, when it can be mansub and majroor. We have discussed them separately. Just to summarize on one slide, that the file in and also naibul file, it will be marfu. In jumla ismiya, we have seen that the mubtada and khabar, mubtada and khabar, they will be marfu. Also kana, ism of kana and its sister, kana have a ism and its khabar. So ism of kana, it has two parts, one is ism, second is khabar. So ism of kana and its sister, that ism will also be marfu. In mudaf mudaf ilay, default status of mudaf is marfu. This is the default. Due to some other reason, it can be mansub or majroor, but default status of in mudaf mudaf ilay, the mudaf status is basically marfu. And all the detached pronoun, huwa, hum, anta, antum, ana, nahnu, their status is always marfu. Huwa, hum. So we will not look for their Arab. Only all these detached pronoun, huwa, hum, anta, antum, ana, nahnu. So their status will be marfu. Ashar bhai, can you please just revise these things?
Salam.
Walaikum assalam. So ism status can be marfu, mansub.
Mansub and majroor.
When it can be marfu?
So marfu when the file is inside doer.
Inside doer means file. When in jumla fi'liya, when the inside doer is he or she,
He or she. Yes.
then we have to look for
Or
file,
the file
and
outside.
that should be
Marfu.
marfu. Yeah. Second,
And second is naibul file.
naibul file, when in case of passive voice, when the fi'l is
Passive. When fail is
passive voice.
rule, and so the outside doer is naibul file.
Yeah, outside. So
Or it should be
and
marfu.
that naibul file should be
Marfu.
marfu. So our today's concern is about the status. So
Yes.
in passive voice, naibul file is marfu. Second,
Marfu.
third,
And the third one is in Jumla Ismiya, the Abar and Mubtada should be marfu.
both should be marfu.
Both should be marfu. And ism of Kana, like after Kana, if there is a ism, it should be marfu.
Yeah, kana have two parts actually. One is ism and second is khabar.
Khabar,
And ism will always be
marfu.
marfu.
And in the mudaf ilay, the default status always be marfu. Like the mudaf status of mudaf should be marfu.
Marfu, like baitu, kitabu,
Baitu al kitabu. And all the detached pronouns, huwa, hum, anta, antum, ana, nahnu, all are marfu. Always.
All are marfu. Thank you very much. So now we have to go for the mansub, that when the mansub ism will be mansub. We are talking about status of ism mansub. As we discussed last week and today, we already revised in the beginning of lecture that all the objects, mafa'il, maf'ul bihi, lahu, fihi, maf'ul mutlaq, all those, their status will always be mansub. As we know that, like here in Jumla Fa'liya, there is fa'il, there is subject, verb, and object. Object mean maf'ul. So all the objects, they will be mansub. And then due to nawasibul ism, what are the nawasibul ism? Anybody?
Can I say that?
What are the nawaz? We are saying that due to nawasibul ism, when
Is
there will be nawasibul ism, that ism will be mansub. What are those nawasibul ism?
إنا
and
أن كأن لكن ليت لعل.
La ilaha illallah. What they do? After that, when there is a ism, that will be
منسوب.
mansub. So due to nawasibul ism, if nawasibul isms are coming before ism, so all those things, these nawasibul ism will make them mansub. Khabar of kana and its sister will be mansub. Like kana has two parts, one is ism and second is khabar. Ism, already we discussed that ism of kana will be marfu, and khabar of kana, khabru kana, that will be mansub. Also after huruf nida, like ya rasulu, ya rasula, ya abda, so mudaf after harf nida. So this harf nida is basically making this mudaf mansub. Then we have in jumla negative jumla ismiya, as we discussed that the ma and laisa, after them whatever the ism will come, that will be mansub. That is basically khabar. So huwa muslimun, when it will be ma huwa musliman. So la nafiya, also la nafiyatul jins, la followed by isme nakara, and also this la will make it mansub. La ilaha, there is absolutely no god. And all pronoun, a pronoun attached to verb, like mana'aka with verb, when there is ka, this is who, whom, ka, kum, e, na, all the attached pronoun, their status will always be mansub. Na, who, ka, so this is about the mansub. Brother Rida, can you please revise this thing?
Salam alaikum.
Alaikum assalam.
Yeah, we were talking about mansub, and the condition should be for if the ism is maf'ul, it should be mansub. Like here, Dawuda, no, Jaluta is maf'ul mansub here.
Yeah.
And nawasibul ism, which Ibrahim mentioned, inna, anna, ka'anna, laysa, make the ism mansub. For instance, here in Allah. Then kana, after kana, as you mentioned, there are two parts, kana ism and khabar. Mubtada and the khabar always is mansub.
Yeah.
For instance, here Rahima, Ghafura. Then after huruf nida is come, the ism is mansub again. Ya Rasulallah, Ya Abdallah. They are also mentioned. So, and when in Jumla Ismiya negative, when we have negative words like ma, laisa, it turn the S to mansub. Like here, laisa musliman,
Yeah.
or ma huwa muslima. La nafiyat al-jins makes mansub here. For instance, la ilaha. There is not absolutely a God except Allah. Then all attached pronouns are also mansub because they are all most likely used as an object. An object is mansub too. So man'aka, like amrana, they are all considered as a mansub.
They all are. By the way, what is the translate? How we can translate this? Amarana.
Amarana means we order.
This is pronoun attached to verb. What is verb here?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. He ordered to us.
He ordered us. And if it's amarna.
Omarna is passive voice, right? And
amarna. That has nothing to do with pronoun.
Omarna. Omarna means I ordered.
We. That is amara, amaru, amartha, amartum, amartu, amarna.
Yes.
That is in the table. That is complete verb. So amarna, we ordered. Amarana, he ordered us. So this we are talking about a pronoun attached. Attached pronoun. Here, that na is not attached pronoun. That is part of verb. Amarna. Here, this is amarana. He ordered us. So we are talking about a pronoun attached to verb. And this is detached pronoun. These are attached pronouns and these are detached pronouns. So detached pronoun, their status will be marfu, and all the attached pronoun with verb, their status will be mansub. Jazakallah khair, brother Ridha.
Thank you.
So next, because the ism status of ism can be marfu, can be mansub, can be majroor. So this is the best time that when the ism can be marfu, all in, we know everything, but just all in one table as a summary. When the ism can be mansub, all 7 cases we have just revised. Now when the ism can be majroor, one is due to haruf jar, due to preposition, like bi, li, min. All these are haruf jar. Bi, min, li, ila, fi. These are. So after this ism, when there is ism comes, so that ism will be majroor. So one thing that all haruf jar we have discussed in level 0, they operate, they are called haruf jar because they give jar. They make the status of ism majroor. So we are talking about ism. So fil ardi. So this is majroor. Why? Because of haruf jar. Bismillahi ismi. Minas samai. Second is in mudaf ilay, the mudaf ilay will be majroor, because mudaf ilay, mudaf default status is marfu, and mudaf ilay its status will be majroor. A pronoun attached to ism, this is very important to just focus here. A pronoun attached to ism, and here we talk a pronoun attached to verb. When there is a verb, the attached pronoun will be mansub. And when there is ism, the rabbuhu, kitabuhu, baytuhu, baytuhum, baytuka, ismuka, ismi, dinuhu, dinuhum, dinim, all a pronoun attached to ism. These pronouns, their status will be majroor. Also one thing, all these things, kitabuhu, kitabuhum, ismuka, all these are mudaf ilay. and we know that mudaf ilayhi status will always be majroor. So that's why this is. So this is about the majroor. Uh, Brother Naeem, can you please just revise this?
Ism have a three status like a marfu, mansoob, and majroor. So we have to know that when is marfu, when is mansoob, and when is majroor. We have a six condition that is like the ism will be marfu in a file, in naibul file, and khabar and muqtada in the ismiya, jumla ismiya, and ism of kana is a marfu. Default status of mudaf is always marfu. Detached pronouns we consider as a marfu when is come, and we know the mansoob when the ism will be mansoob, like in 7 conditions ism will be mansoob, like in mafa'il we know the 5 types of mafa'il, they are always mansoob, and we know the nawasibul ism make the ism mansoob, like, and also khabar of kana and his sisters, we know the we learn about kana and his sisters, they always make the khabar mansoob, and when madaf come with the huruf nida, it's make mudaf mansoob. And number 5, khabar in negative, like khabar in jumla ismiya, due to ma and laisa, make ism mansoob. And 6th number is la nafiyatul jins. It is if after lam la is comes the ism is mansoob and light, then we say is lam nafiyatul lil jins, and it is mansoob. And a pronoun attached with the verb considered as mansoob, but pronoun attached to the ism is considered majroor because it's also act as a mudaf alayh, mudaf alayh. And in majroor there is a thing we can say there is a 2 things is make ism majroor. Haruf jar make the ism majroor, and mudaf alayh we already learned about this, that mudaf alayh always majroor. And the second thing is another example is if mudaf alayh comes with the attached with the pronouns is that's mean it is a majroor shape.
Okay, thank you very much.
Jazakallah.
Azhar bhai, are you there? Buraq?
आवाज बंद हो जाती है, सॉरी.
Okay, Azhar bhai, just say it, Rasulullah, this is. If I put ala before this Rasul, what will happen?
Then will be Rasulullah.
Ala is what?
Allah is it makes harf jar.
Yeah, it's make ism majroor.
It's
It makes. So if I put ala before this, so it will become what?
Rasulullah.
Rasulillahi, because are due to haruf jar, all this will be. Okay.
Yeah, you said okay.
If I put min before this,
Yeah,
Kitabullahi, if I put min.
it's okay.
So okay, in this case, Kitabullahi, what is the status of kitab right now?
Make ism. Yeah, it will make the ism majroor.
But
if
right now,
okay,
Azhar bhai, yeah, that's Kitabullahi. Right now, what is the status of Kitabu?
Mudaf.
Marfu, mansoob, majroor.
Marfu.
Why?
because mudaf is always
Very
marfu.
good. Okay, that's default status of mudaf is marfu.
Marfu.
If I put min before that, then
If you put min before, so then make the mudaf status of this ism majroor.
majroor. So it will be
Min kitabillahi.
min kitabillahi. And what about rabbuhu? If I ask you, what is the status of rabbuhu?
Rabbuhu
Yeah.
is mudaf alayh.
Okay, mudam. What is the status of who?
Who is majroor?
Who is majroor? Because a pronoun attached
Pronoun
to an
with
ism
ism.
is
Yeah,
always
in
majroor.
mudaf alayh is majroor. Yeah.
A pronoun attached to ism, rabbuhu.
Yeah.
Okay. If I say khalaqana, what is the status of na?
Halakana.
Khalaqana.
This verb, so it will be mansoob. Na is mansoob.
Oh, okay. How you recognize that na will be mansoob? Because
This comes with the
na
verb,
is attached
not
with
comes with the
khalaqa. Khala. If I
halaka
say
mean is a verb.
khalquna,
Halaka is a verb.
yeah, very good,
Hal-
very nice. If I say khalquna,
Halkuna, halkuna, I believe it's the same.
Is
yeah,
majroor.
is
Majroor.
khalqu is what?
Halku is a verb.
Is it verb? That is khalaqa. Khalaqa yakhluqu khalq. And we say
Is it
Halku,
verbal?
that
halku is
is
a plural.
ism.
Okay,
Like
halku is an
kitabuna,
ism. Okay, then is
khalquna, our creation.
okay.
Khalaqana, that is not ism. That is he created us. As you said, that is mansub. But khalquna, because khalqu is ism, and a pronoun attached to ism, that will be what? Majroor.
It's a majroor. But
Majroor.
I just
So,
need to know halku is a ism, no?
yeah, ism, because it's a masdar. You
Okay,
know,
okay.
isme
Okay,
fa'il, isme maf'ul, isme masdar, all are
halku
ism.
is a masdar. Yeah, masdar is a ism. Yes.
Yeah. So this is very important to know that in the whole table we discussed in level 1, 2, 3. One is fail maadi, that is fail, verb. Then fail mudare, that is fail. Fail amr, fail nahi, they are fail. But fa'il, maf'ul, and masdar, they all are ism. And that's why here this is very important. A pronoun attached to ism. If these pronoun, we know that first we should know what is pronoun. Pronoun is which is used in place of noun, like who, whom, ka, kum, e, na. They will be majroor if they are attached with ism. Who, whom, ka, kum, e, na, they are pronoun. If they are attached with verb, they will be mansub. And of course translation, like here, amrun, amarana. Amara is, this is a verb, and na is basically here is what? This is pronoun, so this is mansub. So this is what we have. So just we have already discussed all these things during Quran part. We also revise all those things, they apply there. But this is the best time that all things are summarized there. Just we have to look at them, and then when they will be used there, they will be recalled automatically, inshallah. So I am finishing here session 1, and now I would request Brother Shahbaz to teach us Quran part.
Thank you, Brother Akhtar, for all your
Iyyakum,
explanations.
iyyakum, Brother Razak.
Jazakallah khair. Thank you so much.
Iyyakum.